Hey guys, I am so excited for today's video. Today we are going to be unboxing the Plouise budget box. This is the budget box for August. So the way it works is, say like 1st of August, I'm pretty sure the new boxes get released. Then you buy them. You can buy them all through that month unless like they sell out. And then they get sent to you the next month. So that's why I'm unboxing the August box in September, if that makes sense. So anyway, I'm not gonna lie, I do already know what's in here. So one, they do the little sneak peeks on Instagram, and I really wish they didn't do that. Like, I love that they do that, but at the same time I hate that they do that because I'm never strong enough to, when I see the sneak peek, I know I should just look away, but I'm never strong enough to, so I know what's in there. But then I actually kind of forgot what was in here by the time it arrived, and then I was looking at it all day and I was like, no, don't open it, just wait till you film the video, And then my little intrusive thoughts got in my head and they're like, what if you die tomorrow and then you never know what's in your box? And I was like, damn, you're alright, let's open it. So I do wish that this was a surprise for both of us, but it's still exciting nonetheless. So this is the box. It is absolutely stunning. And let's look in here. So this retails for $60 Australian, and then I had to pay $20 shipping, so this is an $80 box. It's meant to be like a budget box, so it's meant to be like cheap, you know what I mean, like good bang for your buck kind of thing. So anyway, first thing in here we have are their new liquid bronzers. So you get 2 of them in here, which I think is really nice. These are the cheek of it. Aren't they just the cutest little things ever? Unfortunately, little Miss Plouise sent me Coconut Palm, which is the deepest shade of like the entire range, which, mind you, they released 20 shades I think of this bronzer, which I do think is absolutely incredible because we all know what it's like out here with like the shade ranges in the makeup space. So to have 20 shades of bronzer is really incredible. So this one here is Coconut Palm, and unfortunately it is just way too dark for me. So that one will be getting passed along to somebody else. That's fine. I would rather, like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, I would rather be sitting here with a product that is way too deep for me to use, like, knowing that that product's actually out there. Does that make sense? Like, I'm happy to sacrifice getting something in this box that I can use to know that that product is out there for someone that, let's be honest, like they're lacking in shade, like, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like I'm explaining this really badly, but I'm a light-skinned woman, so I have a lot of shit to choose from in the makeup community, and I know that that's not the same for people of colour. So I'm happy that this product is out there, even if it means that I can't use it. Does that make sense? I don't know if I'm explaining that, yeah, but if you know what I mean, you know what I mean. And I can't tell if I'm in focus because my viewfinder is too far away. Like, my sight is too bad. Okay, not see my camera. Anyway, the next one that I got was called Made to Shade. I did try and look at the swatches and I still don't know. This looked like it was in like the kind of like medium-y range, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to use this one. I just don't know. And like, I obviously don't want to get it out and swatch it. I feel like if it was a different product it'd be okay, but like it's got this little puffy thing on the end, so obviously if I swatch it on there, there's no way that I can kind of go and give that to somebody else. So I just don't know if I want to risk it or what. But the packaging of them is absolutely the cutest little thing in the world, and I really do want to try out these bronzers. I just really can't tell if this will be okay for me or not. I don't know. It might be. I don't know. We might have to try it out in a video. Anyways, so that was the first 2 products in there. So we got 2 little bronzers, and I think it's nice that they put 2 different shades in there because obviously if one shade doesn't work for you, then hopefully the other one will. But yeah, so that was the first thing. The next thing that we got is the Partner in Pink. So this is a sculpting primer, which I've never, like, I don't know if I have a sculpting primer. So it says that it plumps, sculpts and tightens. It says it's anti-aging and antioxidant antioxidation, oxidation, antioxidant. I don't know. You guys know what it says. Qualities, and it revitalizes and rejuvenates. I'm really excited to try this out. As far as I know, they aren't selling this on the website yet, so hopefully it comes out to be available to purchase soon. But oh my god, I can't get the plastic of it. Come on, girl, out you come. Oh my gosh, guys, I don't think it's gonna come off. Anyway, that's how the box looks. It's so super pretty. And then this is how the actual little primer looks. It's really, really cute. I absolutely adore P. Louise packaging. Like, I am the biggest sucker for P. Louise. Okay, so it is quite pink. It feels very similar to... Oh, it smells really nice. Yum. It feels very similar to the Too Faced Hangover Primer. That's... Oh, it smells really nice. I kind of can't get over that. Like, it's super subtle scent, but it smells really good. Anyway, so I'm super excited. We'll have to try that out in a video. And then the last thing we have here is a palette, which I'm so excited about. This is the But Does It Come in Pink palette. Looks like this. Super pretty. And once again, this one isn't out on the website yet. Hopefully it comes out soon. So yeah, that's the packaging. It's absolutely stunning, super, super pretty, and holy guacamole, that palette is beautiful. It is extremely pink, but wow, I don't know why. Does it smell nice too? I'm getting like a smell of something else. I don't know if it's like the primer just like wafted into my nose and I thought it was a palette. But anyway, this is the palette here. Like, is that not the prettiest thing you've ever seen? I know I'm not much of a pink girly, but I can appreciate a work of art, you know what I mean? That is really, really stunning. That's so exciting. So, this is going to be a little bit hard to add up the value considering that only 2 of the products we got are actually available on the website. But what I'm going to do is we're going to do a bit of like this palette is a 28 pan palette. Is that right? 28 pan palette, I think. And then she already has primers on the website, so we're just going to go off what those products are like already, if you know what I mean, like, because I'm sure they'll be like similarly priced. Okay, let's have a look. So for one of these liquid bronzers, they are $30. So for the 2 liquid bronzers, that's already $60. So that's your value of the box there, pretty much, apart from shipping. Let's see, we'll search up primer. Her primers look to be $36. And then we'll just go eyeshadow palette. I feel like most of her palettes are... I don't know if she has any other 28 pan palettes. Her other palettes are like 50 pan to like 40 something pan, and those go for about 90s kind of. So let's just say that the palette's like $50. I don't know. Let's just say it's about $50 because I feel like that's a happy medium kind of thing. Because her 8 pan palettes are $34, and then oh, what's this one? This one is an 18 pan palette is $79, $80. I don't know. Let's just go $50 to be like a happy medium, because that's like kind of... Is that right? Is this a 28 pan palette? I think it is. So that's $146 if we say that this palette is about $50. So that is $66 worth extra product. And obviously the budget box is, that's shipping to Australia, you know what I mean? So I feel like if you lived in the UK, that's an even better saving. But I'm really happy. I'm really impressed. I've already got my September box ordered, so that should be on the way to me next month, and I'm so excited. I really want to do like a yearly subscription, because every time that the month ticks over, I'm like stressing out, like, oh my god, I've got to get it. And also you save more money if you do the year-long subscription, so I might look into that. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.